वेलकम मैम।
सर
आपके
अभी
फाइव
आपका क्लास है
चिल्ड्रन
क्या?
नहीं है।
अच्छा, अभी हम लोग इन बच्चों को एक वर्चुअल टूर पे लेके जा रहे हैं आगा खान पैलेस में। आप हमारे साथ चलोगे?
चलो चलो मैम, हम आते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम।
ठीक है सर। क्लाइड सर,
Yes, ma'am.
व्हाट डू यू से?
I
संतोष
just
सर को भी
spoke.
ले चले?
I just spoke to the bus driver. He is reaching, so I think we should start getting ready.
यस, सो प्लीज गेट रेडी ऑल
Yes.
द किड्स।
संतोष सर, आप भी तैयार हो जाओ, वो बस वाला आ रहा
यस
है।
यस मैं नहीं, मैं सीट बेल्ट टाई कर रहा हूँ अभी। कम ऑन, बैठो टाई करके।
Okay,
कम
all
ऑन।
of you have 2 minutes. Just get ready to go. Fast. Get up, get up, get up. Get ready. Wear your goggles, sunglasses, hats, caps. Yes, Pavni is ready. Pavni, Robin Hood is ready.
अरे मास्क भी पहन लो, बाहर जाना हमें।
Yes.
यस, मास्क भी पहन लो।
Ma'am, I have mask.
Yes, yes. Wear your masks
कम
also.
ऑन कम ऑन।
Get ready fast.
आदित्य, आदित्य जॉइन हो बेटा। आदित्य जगताप।
Ma'am, I have hand sanitizer.
I am also getting ready.
Hand sanitizer.
Yes, very good. Sanitizer, your mask, your sunglasses.
वाटर बॉटल।
Your caps, whatever you have. See, I am ready. Nobody is wearing caps. Today is sunny.
Yes, ma'am.
Get ready, bacha. It is going to be fun.
Yes, ma'am. Don't mind.
My brother is also coming with me.
Okay, fine. We have lot of space. You can bring your brothers, sisters, anybody.
मैं
Yes.
दिख रहा हूँ क्या? देखो, मैंने देखो, कितना दिख रहा हूँ मैं?
Very nice. I can see you. Yes, sanitizer. Okay. Very good, Snigdha. Kunal, here are you? Arnav, are you ready? My God, Arnav. Cheryl, get ready to go. We are going for Aga Khan Palace. Get ready.
श्रीकांत, श्रीकांत कैमरा ओपन।
सर मैं कितना दिख रहा हूँ?
अरे बहुत ही बढ़िया, बहुत ही अच्छे दिख रहे हैं।
Superb. Pavni is ready. Shaitan is ready. Hamish is ready. Ojas, you are not ready. Om नहीं है ready अभी. Cheryl, are you ready? Kunal is ready. Fast, our bus is going to come soon.
Yes.
Yes, जानवी, निशिका भी चलेगी साथ में. Okay. Nishika, you want to come with us?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
great. Ojas, you can also take your brother with you.
डैडी नहीं गया।
अच्छा, किसी के मम्मी डैडी को भी चलना है साथ में? Okay, bring everyone. Yes, we have lot of space in the bus.
उल्टू छे। मैं जल्दी आते जल्दी।
Okay, everybody is ready. Give me your thumb. Yes, show me your thumbs. Okay, so our bus driver is also ready. OMG.
हेलो, कैसा चल रहा है सब लोग?
See, our bus driver has come.
Are you ready? Are you ready? आपको मालूम ना कहाँ जाना है आज? आपको मालूम है ना कहाँ जाना है? कौन बोलेगा मुझे?
अरे
हाँ?
अरे, एक मिनट भैया, अभी सबको बारी बारी से बस पर चढ़ाना पड़ेगा।
कैन यू सी माई बस बिहाइंड? यस।
यस।
सीट सीट पूरा सैनिटाइज किया है मैंने ये इस ट्रिप के लिए।
या थैंक यू सो मच।
મુર્તુઝા યાર હવે બે હેલ્પ કરી રહી છું તો આંગળા તો તું બરાબર સહીથી ડાલી દે યાર કોણ છે
यस, आवर बस इज रेडी, बस ड्राइवर इज
ये
रेडी।
क्लाइड सर कौन है? ये क्लाइड सर तो कौन है ये क्लाइड सर?
बस ड्राइवर।
ये बस ड्राइवर का नाम क्लाइड सर नहीं है, ये बस ड्राइवर का नाम राम काका है, राम काका।
અચ્છા રામ કાકા
राम का, हाँ। देखो मेरे मुस्टैच। क्लाइड सर के पास ऐसे मुस्टैच है क्या? नहीं।
बट रामू काका, आपका मास्क कहाँ पर है?
क्या
वो तो
हुआ
भूल
ना
गया।
मैम, ये मेरा मास्क ही है।
अच्छा,
बट क्या हुआ कि अगर मैंने मास्क पहना तो मेरा आवाज नहीं निकल जाए,
ओके
के लिए थोड़ा सा
हाँ रामू काका, आप
इसके लिए मैंने ऐसे ही रखा है ना।
ओके
मैम सोच
यस यस ओके। सो रामू काका, बच्चों को ऊपर बस पर चढ़ाएं।
अरे चलो चलो लेट्स गो।
लाओ
क्यों
रामू
नहीं?
काका, बस बाहर लेकर आओ।
ठीक है मैं लेके आप सब लोग रुक के।
એવું જ હોય ને આંગળી બી છુપાઈને રખવા જો શું મતલબ
Yes, everybody is ready.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. We'll be sitting in the bus. You have to follow the protocol. Maintain physical distancing. And one by one, we will board the bus.
એક ને એક બેન હોય
What life of what?
Okay, bus has reached. See, bus has reached.
तू आलस कलर ना
चलो चलो, मुर्तुजा, अर्नव, आशिष, शेरिल,
चलो चलो
हाविश,
राम राम चलिए।
अरे कोई रह तो नहीं गया? कोई छूट गया पीछे? अरे श्रीकांत छूट गया, रामू काका, श्रीकांत छूट गया।
कहाँ है? सब लोग बैठ गए?
हाँ, रामू काका गिनो तो कितने हैं?
चलो मुझे गिनना पड़ेगा 1 2 3 4। कौन है ये? तो बैठ गए?
यस सर।
ओके अभी कुछ रूल्स है आपको फॉलो करना है ये बस में, ठीक है? पहले रूल तो है प्लीज पुट योर सीट बेल्ट पहनना जरूरी है। ओके, इफ यू डोंट पुट योर सीट बेल्ट सब लोग उधर यू विल बी जंपिंग, तो पहले सीट बेल्ट लगाना जरूरी है। ओके सीट बेल्ट लगाओ। चलो हमको जल्दी जल्दी जाना है, बहुत ट्रैफिक है, चलो जल्दी। हाँ सीट बेल्ट लगाओ। सेकंड रूल, आपके हाथों को विंडो के बाहर नहीं कर दादा रखना चाहिए, ठीक है? ऑलवेज रिमेम्बर। ओके keep your seat belt on, no hands out of the window. Okay, So please keep these two rules in mind when we are traveling in my bus. Okay? और main thing about the trip is enjoy करना चाहिए, games खेलना चाहिए. Okay? Yes.
So everybody is there in the bus? Okay.
तो टीचर आई थिंक आपको अटेंडेंस लेना चाहिए.
Check
आई
for
थिंक
your
आपको
friends.
अटेंडेंस लेना चाहिए.
Yes,
कोई
yes.
छूटना नहीं चाहिए.
हाँ. So Faizan, Hafiz, Himanshu, Janvi, Kunal, Murtuza. Raise your hand fast. Ojas, Om, Pavani, Shrikant, Snigdha, Santosh sir. Everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody is there. Ramu Kaka, can we start now?
कम ऑन, आई थिंक हम स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं.
ठीक है रामू काका.
Okay.
और कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शंस देना है आपको?
आई थिंक अभी के लिए वी आर ऑल सेट. जस्ट रिमेम्बर सीट बेल्ट एंड पुट योर हैंड्स, कीप इट टू योर सेल्फ. ओके, आई रेडी? यस.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ready,
Hello,
steady,
let's
go.
let us go. And please remember, मेरे बस में इतना गाने वाने नहीं है, तो I'd like to hear music. Will you all sing for me?
Yes, so we will play a game. So we are going to play Antakshari. Okay, kids? Okay. So
Yes.
sing the song. First, we'll sing. Okay, Pavana, can you sing first? Okay, you have to follow the protocol. We are traveling in the bus. Okay, don't distract Ramu Kaka. Okay, one by one. Pavani, can you sing the song? Chalo, Pavani, start.
तेरा कुत्ते का है कमर में तेरी बटरफ्लाई खाने में बस तू बटर खाए कम ऑन बेबी के काटू तेरी के
Yo!
क्रिकेट पर ले तेरे विकेट विकेट पड़ने के लिए लंबा लंबा जो रवा तक ते लाने की लंबा लंबा जो
Very good, Pavani. Now, Murtuza, can you sing this? Yes, sing. Sing along with him. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, Faizan. You can also sing, beta.
लड़ेंगे हम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे.
हमने
लड़ेंगे.
तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे. और
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे तोड़
चल
ये जल्दी चलो स्टार्ट। चलो चलो स्टार्ट। तो लड़की ओ ये सुपर। रामू काका आपको मजा आ रहा है?
मुझे तो बहुत मजा आ रहा है।
अरे वाह।
चलो चलो 2 मिनट में हम पहुंचने वाले हैं। ओके
अरे
रेडी हो ना?
जो राम और श्याम को ना इधर, हाँ?
हाँ?
ये राम और श्याम को भी लेके चलो।
बस में
ये कौन है? अचानक ऐसे बस पे ऐसे चढ़ नहीं सकते हैं।
नहीं, बीच में नहीं
सर प्लीज लेके चलो ना हमें।
कौन सर है? ये कौन सा सर है? विनोद सर। विनोद सर कैसे आए?
और एक गाना होना चाहिए। चलो चलो
एक और गाना गाएंगे हम। बम बम बोले गाएंगे सब। बम बम बोले। डोले।
मस्ती में
मुर्तुजा बस में उठना नहीं है सीट से। रामू काका नीचे उतारो इसको।
मैं बस रुकाने वाला हूँ अभी।
मुर्तुजा को
मुर्तुजा
नीचे उतारो। मुर्तुजा खड़ा हुआ सीट पर।
मुर्तुजा आपने रूल फॉलो नहीं किया है। यू हैव रिमूव्ड योर
उसको फाइन दे दो।
बेल्ट।
फाइन करो उसको, फाइन फाइन।
ओके टीचर हम पहुंच गए। प्लीज
अरे ये
पहुंच गए।
अभी आप लोग आराम से एक एक लाइन में उतरो प्लीज। स्लोली गेट डाउन फ्रॉम द बस।
रामू काका
हाँ
आप सबको लाइन पर टिकट काउंटर पर लाएंगे?
यस
ठीक है।
आराम से सब लोग। टीचर आप जल्दी जाइए। आप देखो कि टिकट लाइन काउंटर थोड़ा खाली है कि नहीं। यू
मैं
नो
टिकट काउंटर पर पहुंच रही हूँ। वहाँ पर सब बच्चों का जरूरत पड़ेगा।
ठीक है जाओ मैम जल्दी जाओ। संतोष सर आप प्लीज देखो कि सब लोग उतर रहे हैं एक लाइन में। मैं थोड़ा
Yes,
गाड़ी
sir,
को
yes,
पार्क
sir.
करता हूँ।
ओके
ठीक है।
सर, ओके सर, ओके सर। हाँ
नाम दे।
हाय जानवी, हाय नितिका, हाय हम पहुंच गए। ओम किधर है?
चलो सो डिडियल चलो गेट डाउन इन वन लाइन कम ऑन।
चलो चिल्ड्रन, चलो सिंगल लाइन में आना है। बिल्कुल इधर उधर भागना नहीं है। ओके किसी चीज को नीचे जो भी चीज है उसको हाथ लगाना नहीं है। आउटसाइड भी हाथ बिल्कुल लगाना नहीं है। चलो फॉलो प्रोटोकॉल
No touching
एवरीबॉडी।
anything, okay? I hope you have carried your mask and sanitizer. I am wearing my mask.
मुझे हो तो क्लाइड सर जैसी।
ये मूछे कहाँ है मेरा? What is this? I came directly car से. How did you all come?
हमें
How did you all come?
लेके आए।
रामू काका, ओ अच्छा बंदा। सो वो इट साउंडेड लाइक अ वेरी गुड बंदा, वेरी गुड। चलो आई ऑल रेडी।
ए टिकट।
ओ चलो
चलो चिल्ड्रन, चलो लाइन अप एवरीबॉडी।
ओके
सिंगल लाइन
सुनो सुनो सुनो
टिकट लगेगा।
ओके भाई सर जी कितना कितना है टिकट के लिए?
ये बच्चे को देख के पता लगेगा।
ओके
अरे
चिल्ड्रन एक काम
यार,
कीजिए गर्ल्स सिंगल लाइन बॉयज सिंगल लाइन कम ऑन फास्ट हेड ऑर्डर कम ऑन एवरीवन
सर जी थोड़ा सा डिस्काउंट करो हाँ, क्योंकि हम सब स्कूल से है तो थोड़ा सा डिस्काउंट होना चाहिए हाँ।
ओके ओके, एक एक बच्चे को भेजो।
ओके
Okay, ma'am,
चलो
भेज
कौन
देते।
जाएगा? चलो
Okay, I'm ready.
पवनी पवनी आर यू रेडी? चलो
Yes.
ऑल ऑफ यू रेज योर हैंड्स वर्चुअल
Yes.
हैंड्स रेज करो अदरवाइज आई कैन नॉट सेंड यू ऑल अहेड।
यस, हु इज फर्स्ट? पवनी। तुम्हारा नाम पवनी है?
Yes.
ओके, तुम्हारी टीचर ने बोला मुझे लिस्ट भेजा सबका, तो मैं टिक करता हूँ इसके ऊपर पवनी। तो तुमको तुम्हारी टीचर ने बोला है कि तुमको डांस बहुत अच्छा आता है, तुम डांस करके दिखाओगी फटाफट से, तो तुमको बिना टिकट के अंदर।
ओके मैम,
Okay, ma'am.
मास्क नीचे करो।
Okay, ma'am. चलेगा।
फटाफट से बिना टिकट के अंदर जाना है तो सब कुछ करना पड़ेगा। ये
चेयर
पवनी को एक स्टेप करना है। यस सर, आपका दूसरा स्टूडेंट भेजो।
फैजान आर यू रेडी?
करके
क्या
बनाओ।
बता रहे? नहीं।
चलो नहीं ऐसे ही करके दिखाओ।
टीचर नहीं आए तो पैसा तो बताओ उससे ना मम्मा।
यस पवनी आपको डांस करके दिखाएगी पहले। यस, अरे वाह, टीचर तो सही बोली थी।
अरे सर ये तो हमारा डांस क्वीन है।
अरे वाह पवनी, यू कैन गो इनसाइड द आगा खान पैलेस। आगा खान पैलेस वेलकम यू। ओके बैठ जाओ। अभी दूसरा स्टूडेंट कौन है?
फैजान वेयर आर यू फैजान?
हाँ फैजान, अपना हाथ उठाओ। फैजान कौन सा है? फैजान की टीचर बोली बहुत अच्छा सिंगिंग करता है।
सिंगिंग करता है।
तो एक गाना सुनाएगा जल्दी से, इससे पहले कि मेरा मूंछ गिरे।
हाँ गाओ जो अच्छा लगता है। अनम्यूट करके बोलो। टिकट कंट्री।
यस
फैजान चलो सिंग 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 वरना आपको फ्री में नहीं मिलेगा, यू हैव टू पे।
कुछ तो दफा ऐसा बात है का ये बुद्धू समझ। सीट पे निकल जाए कहीं
हिमांशु हिमांशु वेट वेट फॉर योर चांस, वेट फॉर योर चांस।
अरे वाह 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 वाह, मजा आ गया। अभी तीसरा स्टूडेंट कौन सा है? फैजान आप अंदर जा सकते हो आगा खान पैलेस में।
अर्नव अर्नव वेयर आर यू अर्नव?
यस, अर्नव भी बहुत अच्छा सिंगिंग करता है। अर्नव, अगर तुमको अंदर जाना है तो सिंगिंग करना पड़ेगा। अर्नव अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
अर्नव बच्चा अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ अदर द टिकटर विल नॉट सेंड यू इन, यू विल हैव टू पे। चलो
जल्दी
चलो
अंदर,
चलो
तुम्हारी टीचर वेट कर रही है आगा खान पैलेस में। सर इसके बाद कौन बच्चा है?
मुर्तुजा मुर्तुजा, बट आई थिंक इट्स ओके, छोड़
मुर्तुजा
दो
बहुत
छोड़
अच्छा
दो।
डांस करता है। मुर्तुजा
मुर्तुजा चला गया मैम। ओह
मुर्तुजा और
नो
उसका
आ गया
भाई,
सर।
2 लोग आए हैं। उसकी टीचर ने बोला था 2 लोग आने वाले हैं। तुम दोनों को डांस करके दिखाना पड़ेगा।
मैं करूँ डांस।
हाँ, जो भी करके दिखाएगा वही अंदर जा पाएगा, अदरवाइज वही बस में वेट करे। यस मुर्तुजा एंड हिज ब्रदर, यू गॉट द टिकट। यस आपका टिकट कट चुका है, यू कैन गो इनसाइड। हु इज नेक्स्ट?
नेक्स्ट जो है जानवी एंड हर
जानवी।
सिस्टर।
जानवी एंड निशिका आने वाले हैं। यस आप दोनों को फटाफट से डांस स्टेप्स करके दिखाने हैं। खड़े हो जाओ फटाफट। सबको अंदर जाना है, किसी को बस में नहीं बैठना। हाँ अर्नव बस में बैठेगा। अर्नव यू हैव टू सिंग।
ओके I think
हो गया जानवी और निशिका को टिकट मिल गया अंदर जाने के लिए।
मैम
अर्नव अर्नव गाना गाएगा एक, तभी उसको टिकट मिलेगा।
yes.
चलो
Okay.
अर्नव।
Wait, my YouTube song.
नो यूट्यूब नहीं खोलो अभी, गाना गाओ।
भाई पवन यार गलत मंडे होगा टिकट लेके।
अगला अगला बच्चा है, जल्दी से, बहुत भीड़ है, लंबा लाइन है। Who is next?
अगला जो बच्चा है आशय है, आशय।
आशय, आशय आपको एक गाना सुनाना पड़ेगा।
यस
जल्दी से। यस यस यस।
वेरी गुड आशय, वेरी गुड। टिकट वाले भैया मैं नेक्स्ट भेजू क्या?
यस यस, आगे 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 करो जल्दी से, मैं टिकट
हिमांशु, हिमांशु, हिमांशु है अभी नेक्स्ट। हिमांशु,
चलो
हिमांशु, आर यू रेडी टू डांस?
यस चलो शट अप सॉरी
हुआ।
हाँ टिकट वाले भैया हो गया। अभी नेक्स्ट ईशान है, ईशान।
हाविश है एक मेरा लिस्ट में। हाविश आया है।
यस मैम की तबीयत ठीक नहीं है। यस
उसकी
मैम
तबीयत ठीक नहीं है।
यस टिकट वाले भैया हाविश आ गया है।
हाविश आपको डांस करके दिखाना है।
ओके
फास्ट फास्ट। ओके यस यस।
वो डाटी कट गम
ओह वेरी नाइस, very nice Havish, you get a ticket, you can go inside Aga Khan Palace. ओजस, लिस्ट में ओजस भी है सर, कोई आया है ओजस नाम से?
आई थिंक शायद से नहीं आया है मैम, वो हम भूल गए
ओजस
सर, हम भूल गए वो। हाँ भूल गए।
अरे
ओ
है।
चलो डांस कौन दाखवणार तू?
ओजस को डांस करके दिखाना है, उसकी मैम हमने बोला था ओजस अपने ब्रदर के साथ आने वाला है।
हाँ सर्वेश भी है साथ में उसके। चलो डांस
चलो फटाफट से दिखाओ, टिकट मिलेगा। टिकट 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 टिकट।
गुड।
कुछ मजा नहीं आ रहा है इस डांस का।
डांस डांस अरे
डांस दिखाओ। हाँ ये हुई बात। यस यस, वो छोटू नहीं दिख रहा है, छोटू।
चल ना सर्वेश। अरे दादा तू डांस कर, तो तिकीट पाहिजे का नको तुला आतमध्ये जायला?
टिकट नहीं मिलेगा।
ओ शर्मा रहे मैम।
भाई मैं डांस करके देखा।
तिकीट पाहिजे?
हाँ अभी एक लिस्ट में है ईशान और कुणाल। कहाँ है ईशान और कुणाल? और सर आपके साथ कोई टीचर भी है? और
हाँ है ना
मैम ओजस को टिकट मिल गया क्या?
हाँ ओजस और उसके ब्रदर को मिला टिकट। ईशान हमें डांस करके दिखा रहा है, कुणाल भी डांस करके दिखाएगा। हिमांशु एंड शेरिल एंड स्निग्धा, ये भी है मेरे लिस्ट में।
और ओम।
ओम,
क्या
अगर आप डांस का स्टेप करके दिखा देते हो आपको फटाफट से टिकट मिल जाएगा। फटाफट, बहुत लंबा लाइन है। टिकट 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 टिकट, जल्दी से अंदर जाइए आप अपना लॉट लेकर। Yes.
मैं
करिश्मा का डांस दिखा मुझे, शेरिल का डांस नहीं दिख रहा मुझे।
फिर मैं डांस
Come on, Cheryl, dance, dance, dance.
मैंने किया था।
हेलो मैम।
मैम मैंने किया था।
यस दिखा, आप सबका दिखा। तो आप दोनों सर में से क्लाइड सर कौन से हैं?
मैं हूँ।
क्लाइड सर, आप बच्चों को लेकर अंदर चलिए, मैं गाइड को भेजता हूँ।
ओके ठीक है। ओके
मैं
ओके, ऑल ऑफ y'all are you रेडी? चलो, टिकट वाले भैया, कुछ रूल्स है क्या हमको फॉलो करना है?
आपको अंदर कुछ नहीं खाना है।
ओके, अंदर कुछ नहीं खाना है। एनीथिंग एल्स वी शुड रिमेम्बर?
कुछ भी गंदगी नहीं फैलानी है।
ओके
ओके,
तो
नो पुशिंग, नो हिटिंग।
हेलो
यस कुणाल, टेल मी।
हेलो सर।
यस कुणाल, बोलो।
यस मैम, बोलो।
हाँ सर, वो जाते हैं टिकट के लिए। ठीक है।
आपको मिला टिकट, मिला कुणाल, आप चलो।
ओम, आपको भी मिला है टिकट?
सबको टिकट मिला, अंदर चलो, अभी बैठ जाओ अपनी अपनी जगह पर।
Now can you all sit down? Listen to the rules, okay? We are not allowed to touch anything. We are not allowed to touch anything. We are not allowed to. Yes, Arnav, sit down now. Others, you cannot listen to the instructions. Sit. Quickly.
मैं ना
Okay, so we are not allowed to touch anything. We are not allowed to eat inside. Okay, we have to follow all the rules. Otherwise, they will not allow us inside. Okay. So, are you ready? Now, everyone. Okay, now everyone sit quietly. Everyone sit quietly and listen to the guide. The guide is going to guide us. Okay. Yes. Okay.
yes
Okay, 1 minute, sorry.
To our special show where you help us choose the 7 wonders of this country.
wow
Carry on our search for these gems across Maharashtra. We have reached the Aga Khan Palace of Pune. This is the place where Gandhiji was kept as a prisoner after he launched the Quit India movement. You have heard many great things about that.
Yes.
yes
Om, you cannot see the screen?
Yes sir. No, yes sir, no.
Okay,
No, sir.
I'll share it.
yes
No
sir,
problem.
yes
Okay,
Yes,
okay, no problem.
But I can see it.
Okay, I'll share it again. No problem.
see
I can also see.
Okay, let him share again.
Can you all see it now?
New Tesla, everyone.
Yes sir, we can see.
You can see? Okay, fine.
Man. But we are here to search for the man behind the Mahatma. Sultan Muhammad Shah, Aga Khan III, had the palace constructed in the year.
So Sultan Muhammad Shah was the man who built this wonderful palace. Okay. So listen to the year. It was in the year
1892. The aim behind the construction of the Aga Khan Palace was to provide employment to people of nearby areas who were hit by famine. But during
Okay, in 1893, that was when they built this palace, and it was the main focus of this palace was to for the people who were suffering from a lot of famine. Famine is like less food, where they were not able to get food, they were not able to get nourishment. Okay, so this was a way of, that's why they decided to build this palace so that they can get employment. They can get employment. Okay.
the British rule, it became a place to house VIP prisoners.
So this place was a house for the VIP prisoners, जो भी बहुत बड़े-बड़े politicians or the big you can say freedom fighters and all who were still that time they were still under the British rule. So all those people who were fighting and they didn't like them, they used to put them in this palace. Okay. Can you see these? Arches? Can you see these arches in the video? Can you see these arches? So Aga Khan Palace is very famous for its arches, for its huge, big arches. मैंने stop किया है video. मुर्तजा मैंने arches. Can you see this U-shape in the walls?
Where? My dear.
On my screen, can you see? No? Can you see
Yes,
it?
we can see, sir.
We can see. Okay, so these U-shaped these are the arches. Okay, and they are like very famous because everywhere you will find them in the whole palace. You will find these arches, and they are made of Italian marble. Most of them are made out of Italian marble. So it is, you can say they are Italian arches, and because of this, lots of people come to visit it from all over the world. Okay. Can you see its spacious garden? Look at its spacious garden, all its spacious lawns. They are so famous. They have lots of different trees which are planted in these lawns. Okay.
The Britishers were worried about Mahatma Gandhi's deteriorating health and shifted him along with his wife Kasturba to this palace.
So what happened is, as Mahatma Gandhi became old, all the people were worried about his health because he was not keeping well. He and his wife, okay, were not keeping well. Kasturba Gandhi was not keeping well. So what happened is, they were worried and they shifted him to Aga Khan Palace. Okay.
His assistant and friend Mahadev Desai.
His assistant and his friend also Mahadev Desai was also shifted here.
His disciple Meera Ben and Sarojini Naidu were also put up in this makeshift prison. It was in this room that Sarojini Naidu cooked and served meals to other inmates. All of them sat together on a dining table at meal times.
So Sarojini Naidu used to cook them meals to all the inmates, all the prisoners who used to live over there. They used to come together at this round table and have their lunch, their breakfast, their dinners. Okay.
While she served everyone. Now these rooms that were once occupied by great men and women serve as the Gandhi National Memorial, a tribute to the man and his life.
No, Murtaza, we cannot eat anything in the museum. We cannot eat anything in the museum.
Yes,
When we
yes.
go to the lawn, that time we will eat, okay? That time when we go to the lawn, okay?
सर
So, yeah, bolo.
सर दिसत नाहीये.
You still can't see Om?
नो सर तुम्ही परत ऍप करायचंय परत नाही दिसत इथं.
ओम की मम्मी क्या करो कि you leave the meeting and come back. Maybe वो दिखाई देगा.
नहीं सर, 2-3 बार अभी मैंने लॉग आउट किया लेकिन नहीं दिख रहा
कोई
है।
बात नहीं मैम, अभी उसको सुनने दो, फिर हम यही वाला वीडियो अपलोड करते हैं, फिर
अच्छा,
से कर देंगे।
ओके ठीक है, चालेल मग.
हाँ, अभी उसको सुनने दो।
So, okay, so no, everyone listen. So now, Aga Khan Palace has got all the different paintings, pictures, okay, statues of Mahatma Gandhi as a tribute to him for such a great job, such a wonderful job he's done for the country. For that reason, they have put a lot of his pictures, tributes, a lot of messages what he may have said in those days. They have saved it and they have put it up all over the wall for all of us to read it. Okay. Can you see in these pictures, he is so down to earth. Like when we learned about great India leaders, he is so down to. Ashay, suno, suno. So listen.
Yes,
So
in
Mahatma
this,
Gandhi is so
in this
down to
picture, I
earth.
want to tell this, on right side Mahatma Gandhi is sitting, and on the left side Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is there, who was our first Prime Minister. Yes, sir.
So if you can see that he is so down to earth that he went and he was feeding everyone. Okay, all the poor people, all the people who couldn't afford to have food. He made sure that all of them got food before he would eat. There's a fun fact about this, that before he used to eat, he used to first make sure that all the inmates, all the people who are living, all the poor people who are looking after the palace, all of them would get food, and whatever remaining, even if it was a little bit, he would eat that. But he would first make sure that each and everybody, whoever was there, looking after him, seeing to him, looking after the palace, all the poor people, he would first make sure that they would get food first. So he is so noble, so down to earth.
One can come here and get a glimpse into the simplicity and austerity of that great man's life and character. And this simplicity is reflected in his personal belongings on display here. A wooden spoon, a fork, a few bowls, and cotton thread spun by his own hands.
So see, he was so simple. He didn't have, like, if you see in the museum, you will not find any fancy gold plates or silver plates, or it was so simple. His standard of living, the way he used to live his life, was very simple. Okay, and he used to, because remember in the lesson of a great leader, we learned starving, didn't have proper food, and he made sure that he is going to fight for them. He's going to be for them. He's going to fight for them. He's going to be for them. So the same way, he kept his life very simple. He would spin his own clothes. He would try to make his own clothes. He would be very simple in his ways, not show off, not be like, okay, not be like कि हाँ मैं तो palace में रह रहा हूँ, where are you living? No, he was not like that. Okay.
Babu did not waste anything. Even small useless things like this little faded can of Pond's cream found a place in his belongings for storage of knickknacks.
So he was so simple that even small boxes, as I was saying, a small cream box, like a cream dabba, was kept just for his knickknacks. Small things. He would not go and buy fancy cupboards or fancy drawers and all just because he had to put some small things. The remaining like small boxes were there which he would recycle and use it again.
This is the garland he made for his grandson's wedding, and as expected, it is made of khadi.
Students, Aga is famous for its khadi materials. Okay, and he, for his grandson's wedding, he made those flowers out of khadi. Okay, so he was not, as I keep saying, that he is very noble, trustworthy, very honest, and we should always follow in his footsteps.
This is the room where Bapu and Ba lived. Time is frozen here.
Okay, in this video they're saying Bapu and Ba. Bapu is Mahatma Gandhi and Ba is his wife. Okay, so in the video if they keep saying Ba, it's they're referring to his wife. Okay.
Yes, sir.
सर ये वीडियो ये हो रहा है, थोड़ा सा हैंग हो रहा है.
Everything is kept the way it was when he was here. The bed, his table, his walking stick, the chair and his khadao. All are untouched. This is the very room where Ba breathed her last. After being unwell for a long time, she succumbed to her illness. And Bapu built her samadhi on the premises of the palace with his own hands.
So there was a so as she became older, she was not well. She was old. She was weak, and over time she got so sick that she passed away on that same in that same premises. And Mahatma Gandhi, he had to bury her, so he dug the grave on his own. Okay, out of love, out of respect for his wife, he dug the grave on his own, and he made sure that she would get buried on this plot itself.
He lost two of his closest friends here, his wife and his friend and assistant Mahadev Desai.
So Mahadev Desai also died because of old age, and he was not keeping well at that point of time. So these two people were the most important people in his life, who stayed with him and who was there with him. And they also passed away, and they were also buried together on that same place, that is in Aga Khan Palace.
He was completely heartbroken after that. I also made my way to pay my respects to the two pillars of strength in Bapu's life. For a long time, the samadhis of Ba and Mahadev Desai were made of plain mud. Then the Aga Khan got them built in marble.
So obviously in those days, Mahatma Gandhi, as I told you, he dug the graves of both of them out of respect and out of love for both of them. And over time, then Aga Khan, he saw that it was made out of mud. He took the initiative and made these two pillars. He made them out of marble, so they say that these two pillars are the pillars of strength in Bapu's life, because they both were two people who supported him and never left his side no matter what.
We came in search of Gandhi. And here we found Gandhi the man, not Gandhi the leader. A devoted husband, a faithful friend, a man who believed in simple living but high ideals. So if there is a Gandhian hidden somewhere inside you, or if you believe in Gandhigiri, then you must vote for Aga Khan Palace.
So did you all see the video? I have one more video for you all to show. Okay, I have one more video to show, and we're going to have another another tour guide who's going to explain. Okay. Yes, perfect. Okay, I'm going to share with you another video. Okay.
It was very nice. It was like that we were inside the Aga Khan Palace, and we have seen everything there. Right, kids? So now, why we are showing you this video today, why we are in the Aga Khan Palace? Because today is something special, right? Clyde sir, pause the video.
Yes, yes, yes.
क्योंकि
Yes.
कल महात्मा गांधी का हैप्पी बर्थडे है।
Yes, because tomorrow is 2nd of October, right? 2nd October है, महात्मा गांधी जी का जन्मदिन है, बर्थडे. Okay, tomorrow is his birthday. That's why we are here in Aga Khan Palace today, because this palace is very important in his life, because he lost his most important like persons in his life here in this palace, right? One was his wife Kasturba Gandhi, and the other was his best friend महादेव देसाई. दोनों का ही इस आगा खान पैलेस में डेथ हुआ था. एंड महात्मा गांधी एंड महादेव देसाई उस टाइम एज अ प्रिजनर रह रहे थे उस आगा खान पैलेस में, राइट? एंड इन अमंग देम विद देम सरोजनी नायडू वाज आल्सो देयर. So
जवाहरलाल नेहरू महात्मा गांधी का क्या है? क्योंकि जवाहरलाल नेहरू की डिग्री का नाम है इंदिरा गांधी.
yes, Jawaharlal Nehru की डॉटर है इंदिरा गांधी, बट ही इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू महात्मा गांधी. Indira Gandhi's husband was Gandhi, but from some other family, not from the same family from which Mahatma Gandhi belongs. Okay? So from this video we learned how simple he was, Mahatma Gandhi. You have already read the chapter A Great Leader. Such a coincidence, we are reading the same lesson. We are having his birth anniversary tomorrow. We are visiting Aga Khan Palace, right? So you should be thorough with this chapter, right? And I am sure Clyde sir has given Sarojini Naidu also to somebody,
Yes.
है ना? So you have to speak on Sarojini Naidu also. You have got a project on different freedom fighters, great leaders, right?
Alright.
Yes. So in Aga, yes sir, one more video, na?
Yes, ma'am. One more
Yeah,
video.
please show that video also.
Hello and good morning everyone. Welcome to you all at your channel Unplanned Traveler. This is Naveen and today I'm going to give you the comprehensive virtual tour of Aga Khan Palace, which is located in Pune in Indian state Maharashtra. So keep watching the video. The Aga Khan Palace was built by Sultan Muhammad Shah Aga Khan III in Pune. Built in 1892, it is one of the biggest landmarks in Indian history. The palace was an act of charity by the Sultan, who wanted to help the poor in neighboring areas of Pune who were drastically hit by famine. Aga Khan Palace is a majestic building and is considered to be one of the greatest marvel of India. The palace is closely linked to the Indian freedom movement as it served as a prison for Mahatma Gandhi, his wife Kasturba Gandhi, his secretary Mahadev Desai, and Sarojini Naidu. It is also the place where Kasturba Gandhi and Mahadev Desai died. In 2003, Archaeological Survey of India declared the place as a monument of national importance.
So if you can see when they passed away, okay, Sarojini Naidu, Kasturba Gandhi and this thing, his secretary. So when they died, they declared this place as a monument. Okay, because there were so many big personalities who were here and there's so much of history to this particular place. So they decided that this place is not going to be locked. It's going to be a museum of different history brought to life. Okay.
In 1969, Aga Khan Palace was donated to the Indian people by Aga Khan IV as a mark of respect to the Gandhi and his philosophy. Today, the place houses a memorial on Gandhi where his ashes were kept. Covering the area of 19 acres, this building contains the 5 halls and large verandas. Although the palace is architecturally Islamic, yet it includes hints of Italian art with many arches.
So if you can see that the building it's comprised of 5 halls. There are 5 halls in this building, in this palace, and it took 5 years to build this place. 5 years. Can you believe it? Yes, and it took the budget to make this particular place. Okay, to make this particular place, such a big palace, such a beautiful palace. It took 1.2 million. Okay, it took so much of money to build this, and that's why now it is like a big museum for all of us to visit, because it's not only we come here to see the history behind it, but also we come to see the architecture, the way the building was designed.
कभी ये ब्रेक
कभी है?
ब्रेक
In another 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Yes, बस finish होने वाला है बेटा ये वीडियो. After that.
So far, we have seen the whole palace from the outside. Now it's time to move in.
Sorry.
Yes, Himanshu, what happened?
ये कितने किलोमीटर है?
This is 2.5 meter. Oh no, sorry. The corridor is 2.5 meters. So they said it was a point approx 13 point something. 13 point something. I will send you all this video again. You'll go through it, okay? Because now it's 1 o'clock, so I'll show you all the video. Sorry. Okay, I'll show you the video. Then after that, I'll answer your questions. Okay.
सिटी का ही है ना?
Which city?
Yes, बच्चा.
Which city is this? This is in Pune city. Okay, it's in Pune. Okay.
मेरे घर के नजदीक है.
Let's go inside the
Okay, Faizan. Thank you for telling
Aga
us.
Khan Palace. The palace archives a number of photos and portraits depicting glimpses from the life of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation of India, and the other personalities of the Indian freedom struggle. The palace is also headquarters of the Gandhi National Memorial Society. Here is a complete view of statues, pictures, and other belongings of Mahatma Gandhi.
Can you see these two men whose pictures are there? They are Aga Khan. They are the ones who built the. Whole palace.
After taking the tour of galleries and halls, now we are going outside where we will see the gardens and the beautiful plant sceneries of this palace. Now in the end we are going towards the Samadhi or the memorial stone of Kasturba Gandhi, Mahadev Desai and the ashes of Mahatma Gandhi. As I have already told you, Kasturba Gandhi and Mahadev Desai were died during their captivity period, so their memorial stone are established here. Now let's move to the ashes of Mahatma Gandhi. This is a stone monument where Mahatma Gandhi's ashes are kept. So in the end, I'd like to say if you really enjoy the video, click on the like.
Vina,
This was a very nice explanation of Aga Khan Palace. Now all of you can enjoy your snacks, whatever you are carrying in your backpacks.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am.
And along with that, I am going to finish it off with a quick recap of Aga Khan Palace.
Yes, ma'am. सुनो, ये लोग सभी मरे, ये लोग की ज़्यारत किधर है आबा खान पे?
अभी क्या बोल रहे हो बेटा?
यार वो लोग जिधर मरे आबा खान पैलेस में वो जगह किधर थी?
वही आपको एक रूम दिखाया था. कस्तूरबा गांधी died in a room, but her samadhi is there in the backyard of that Aga Khan Palace only. It is there in the Aga Khan Palace.
So, Murtuza, there is a small area called the memorial area where all their ashes and their bodies are buried over there. Okay?
So, the quick recap is tomorrow is Mahatma Gandhi ji's birthday, 2nd
अभी हम लोग
October.
ब्रेक कर सकते हैं?
हाँ, आप लोग एंजॉय करो स्नैक्स. जस्ट अ क्विक रिकैप. साथ में अपने कान भी खुले रखो. ठीक है? एंजॉय योर स्नैक्स. वी आर गोइंग टू गिव यू अ क्विक रिकैप. Right? Keep munching your snacks. Okay? So tomorrow is Mahatma Gandhi ji's birthday, 2nd October. Right? That's why we took you to Aga Khan Palace. Aga Khan Palace was made by Prince Aga Khan. But he donated this palace to Gandhi Memorial Trust. उस टाइम में बहुत बड़े बड़े पॉलिटिशियंस, फ्रीडम फाइटर्स, लीडर्स के लिए प्रिजन्स नहीं होते थे जहां पर उनको रखा जा सके आराम से. बिकॉज महात्मा गांधी वॉज नॉट कीपिंग वेल, हिज वाइफ वॉज ऑल्सो नॉट वेल, सो दे केप्ट देम इनसाइड दिस पैलेस. ओके, इस पैलेस को उस टाइम उन्होंने प्रिजन बना दिया था. So Aga Khan was very willing to give this palace for Mahatma Gandhi. Along with Mahatma Gandhi, his best friend Mahadev Desai also came. He was also imprisoned at that time because they were participating in Quit India movement. Okay, freedom की जो fight थी उसमें ये लोग सब participate कर रहे थे. तो जब भी वो लोग ब्रिटिशर्स के अगेंस्ट जाते थे तो वो इनको जेल में डाल देते थे. राइट? ताकि बाहर आकर ये लोग फिर से कुछ ऐसा नहीं करें. फॉर सम टाइम दे वर कीपिंग देम इन प्रिजन, दे वर कीपिंग देम आउट. सो they were there at that time. Kasturba Gandhi fell ill and she died in that palace only. महात्मा गांधी को बापू बोला है, कस्तूरबा गांधी को बा बोला है, राइट? गुजराती फैमिली में बा बुलाते हैं ना दादी को, बा। और महादेव देसाई की भी यहीं पर डेथ हो गई थी, आगा खान पैलेस में ही। तो दोनों की समाधि आगा खान पैलेस में ही बनाई गई है। एंड महात्मा गांधी की डेथ यहाँ आगा खान पैलेस में नहीं हुई थी, उनके एशेज यहाँ लाकर रखे गए हैं। एंड द अदर थिंग्स related to Mahatma Gandhi and other freedom fighters, those things are also there in the Aga Khan Palace. There are 5 galleries, okay, and we can see different pictures, portraits in these galleries related to different freedom fighters. समझ में आया सभी को या कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया?
मैम मेरे को भी आ गया मैम।
आया ना बेटा कुछ? अगर आप लोगों को हाँ, अगर आप लोगों को 20% भी समझ में आया है देन इट इज वेरी गुड। आप लोगों को पता होना चाहिए कि पुणे में बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट मॉन्यूमेंट है एंड यू शुड बी एबल टू टेल एनीबडी। आप लोग किसी को बता सको कि आगा खान पैलेस में क्या क्या है। There is a very beautiful garden also outside, garden, and यहाँ पर बहुत important days celebrate होते हैं। Like they celebrate Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. Tomorrow they are going to celebrate Mahatma Gandhi's birthday in the Aga Khan Palace. Okay, they also celebrate Independence Day in Aga Khan Palace. गांधी मेमोरियल सोसाइटी के जो लोग हैं जो इस आगा खान पैलेस को मेंटेन करके रखते हैं। ओके, कैन एनीबडी टेल मी व्हेन इज आवर इंडिपेंडेंस डे? इंडिपेंडेंस डे कब होता है? किसी को भी नहीं मालूम इंडिपेंडेंस डे भी होता है? 15th August को they celebrate Independence Day in Aga Khan Palace. They also celebrate Republic Day, which is on 26th January in Aga Khan Palace. They also celebrate Kasturba Gandhi's death anniversary because Ba died there in Aga Khan Palace. They celebrate that day also. They celebrate Martyrs Day, Shahidi Divas in Aga Khan Palace. And daily morning prayers are held in Aga Khan Palace. Daily, if you go little early in the morning, you can be a part of daily prayers in Aga Khan Palace. So this was yes. So whenever lockdown will open, like we will try to take you physically to Aga Khan Palace for sure. Right? So this was from our side. I want to thank you, Clyde sir.
Thank you,
ma'am.
Clyde sir was our sir also, and he was our Ramu Kaka also. Thank you so much. And thank you.
We have to thank the ticketer. Who's going to thank the ticketer? Either without the ticket we didn't enter.
सर उनको मालूम ही नहीं है टिकेटर कौन था।
कौन था? एनी गेसेस? एनी गेसेस?
Yes.
रामू काका गाइड करते। We had such a lovely mustache.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, बेटा।
I am eating Britannic cupcake.
अरे वाह, great. Enjoy your cake, बेटा. Did you enjoy this tour? आप लोगों ने enjoy किया?
Yes. Yes.
मुझे